Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin what's coming to you in the next 30 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. Dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Okay, let's see what's coming in the next 30 days for Gemini. Uy, Treasure Island. Parang meron kang madidiscover na treasure. Oo, this can be metaphorical na tipong may madidiscover ka na magiging source of income mo. Maaring meron kang paprotektahan na source of income or parang makaka-jackpot, no? You might hit the jackpot. Pwedeng jackpot sa paglalaro ng Game of Luck or pwedeng masasabi mong na-hit mo yung jackpot kasi nag-start ka ng isang business, tapos yung business na yun lumago, naging maunlad, or pumasok ka sa isang trabaho na nagbigay sa'yo ng maraming opportunities. Some of you naman may paglilipat ng bahay, no? May imumove kayo na gamit papunta sa ibang bahay. Ayan, pwedeng kayo ay lipat sa ibang lugar, magmamigrate. You have higher power, so magiging very strong yung inyong instinct, yung inyong intuition when it comes to decision making. Meron kang masusolusyonan na matagal mo ng problema or issue sa buhay na finally maaayos mo na. You also have going the distance. Oo, so ito yung paglalakas ng loob na mag-explore, sumubok ng mga bagong bagay sa buhay mo na hindi mo aakalain na kaya mo palang gawin. So, paglalakas ng loob yan to try new things. And maaring meron ding ma-accomplish ka, no, matatapos na proyekto in the next 30 days. What else? Ano pang energies for Gemini in the next 30 days? You have the Queen of Pentacles, financial stability, financial independence. This is also having the resources that you need. Maaring merong leadership role sa work or meron kang career, business na magiging very successful or abundant, maraming income. You have the Fool, meron kang sisimulan, no? You are going to take a risk. So, yung iba sa inyo, taking a risk sa business, sa career, sa project ninyo, mas malakas yung loob nyo ngayon, Gemini, no? In the next 30 days to explore new things at makita mo yung bagong potential. Pwedeng bagong potential sa business or bagong pagkakakitaan. Can be anything, but yung iba naman sa inyo maaring papasok kayo sa isang partnership, relationship. Oh, 'di ba? Speaking of partnership, you have the Lovers. So this can be business partnership, taking some risk. Pwedeng you are in a relationship right now, tapos yung person that you are dealing with ay meron kayong plans to have your own business together or may project kayo together. Also the Justice card. So this is balance in your life, bringing balance in your life. Maaring magkakaroon ka ng yung harmonious relationship with other people, harmonious situation sa career mo, trabaho mo. And you also have the Page of Cups. So maraming ideas or marami ka ngayong magiging, punong-puno ka ng pangarap ngayon. To try new things, to explore, at umalis sa comfort zone mo. So, yan ay isang malaking desisyon na gagawin mo in the next 30 days. And I think, dito mo marirealize na, tama pala yung ginawa mo. Oo, na sumubok ng bago. And yung iba, ito ay inyong pangarap, matagal na. Pwede ngayon lang magkakaroon ng pagkakataon na explore nyo yan. Mas magiging creative din kayo. Marami kayong mga ideas na maaring i-explore nyo. Let's see what else pa in the next 30 days for Gemini. Yung iba sa inyo, in the next 30 days. Kung single kayo pwedeng merong new person coming in. This can be a soulmate connection. At pwedeng ito'y magiging mabilis ang pangyayari, no? Maaring kakikilala mo pa lang, tapos sa loob ng 30 days, pumasok ka na sa commitment or relationship. Yes. Magiging very persistent ka, hardworking. Tuloy-tuloy ang pagtatrabaho. Maaari ring merong court cases or issues sa batas, sa government na kailangan mong ayusin. Pwedeng meron kang mga documentation, requirements na ayusin, lalo na yung mga magmamigrate, no, sa ibang bansa. Meron mga taong will try to bring you down. Yung parang di-discourage ka sa mga ginagawa mo. Huwag mong hayaan na ikaw ay ma-discourage. Yes, you're moving on. Yung iba sa inyo talaga lilipat ng bahay, Lipat ng lugar. May new beginnings. May new life coming in. Parang, it's like a new chapter. Bagong chapter ng buhay mo na nagbubukas. Merong new chapter. Let's see what else. In the next 30 days for Gemini. Oops, okay. Something is ending. Growth, change. Pwedeng change of career, change of situation. Also, you are attracting abundance this time, Gemini. So, maganda yung pasok ng pera, yung income. Ang abundance din is abundance of knowledge, abundance of ideas. You are manifesting what you want. Kaya minsan kasi pag meron tayo na-manifest, diba gusto natin isang bagay na to na mangyari. We are manifesting that to happen. Tapos, ang nangyayari, may mga bagay na tinatanggal sa buhay natin kasi hindi yun aligned doon sa mina-manifest natin. Kaya minsan i-question mo, bakit ganito yung nangyari? Ba't nawalan ako ng work? Kasi nagma-manifest ka ng abundance eh. Din sa work na yun, wala kang abundance. 'Di ba? So, ganun yung Kaya sabi nila, be careful what you wish for. May mga kailangan tanggalin sa buhay mo para mag-align sa gusto mo. And you have to be open sa ganun. Okay? So, someone likes you. This can be a new person na magkakaroon ng interest sa iyo. You are definitely welcoming a new person in your life if you're single. And if you are in a relationship right now, tapos on the rocks yung relationship ninyo, maaring magkaroon ng ending. Pero it only means na, magkakaroon ka na ng freedom. Kalayaan na magawa ang mga gusto mo. Magawa ang gusto mo sa buhay. That will also lead to new beginnings. Tignan natin sa kaperahan, money, career, finances for Gemini next 30 days. Page of Cups. May inspiration sa work. Ace of Pentacles. New career, new direction sa trabaho. And ngayon, dyan ka talaga nagpo-focus. You are mastering something. You are mastering your craft, mastering your job, your career. Yung iba sa inyo nag-isolate. Iniiwasan nyo na maapektuhan kayo or ma-impluensyahan kayo ng ibang tao. In a negative way. Oo. Lalo na kung meron kayong major decision sa work, sa career, or sa business, or sa finances ninyo. Love life. 9 of Pentacles. The King of Swords. So, maaring ang person that you're going to deal with ay kapareho niyong air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. At itong person na to ay matalino, established na sa buhay. Maaring can be a challenging connection, relationship. But gaya nga ng nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, pwedeng ito ay separation sa relationship, lalo na if things are not really working for you, no? Hindi na okay. Kaya maganda rin na establish ka mismo, no? Hindi kayong talagang nakaasa sa partner mo para ano't ano man ang mangyari, kaya mo on your own, 'di ba? Oh my God. Oh, Gemini, let them go. Meron kang let go. You are letting go of something that is no longer serving you. So, syempre, magkakaiba yan para sa iba't iba sa inyo. Pwedeng relationship, person, or situation, career that is no longer serving you. To start something new in the next 30 days. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.